this point, city of Fort Worth, city of Benbrook, and now you've got the U.S. Navy truck right there. So at this point, all our responders are in place, and that's how it would work out. Because obviously, we on the installation, we're 5 miles away. It's going to take us a little bit to get here. There's a coordinated effort with everything that goes here. You don't just come up and start blasting a fire with water, you know, because it might need foam instead of water. Now in this case, just in a training scenario, they are using water, and you can see with that cannon right there quite a bit. At this point, your first responders are going to be people that were in that first 5-mile radius coming in, and they would. You notice they're all talking to the guy in the flight suit over there because he was on board that aircraft. They all got out safely. So at this point, they're asking, well, what's on board the aircraft? What, you know, is there anything that might explode? Is there anything that we need to be aware of that's hazardous material, that sort of thing? No, it's just fuel. Okay, well now we know what we need to use to fight it. In that kind of situation where the plane did land like that, it's going to spread out, it's going to start covering up the grass, and you know, with the wind blowing the way it is, it's just going to start catching everything on fire. This isn't something that's going to happen in a training environment. They've got the aircraft far enough away from the trees to where if there was some wind, it wouldn't catch. They're very, very safe when you're talking about a training environment. We try to.
We build scenarios on a quarterly basis, different scenarios. You know, with this particular one was we flamed out all 4 engines and had to set the aircraft down in a safe landing.
Real world, a lot of times the situation just presents itself. You don't know what it is until you get on scene, and a lot of those things can't be avoided when you're dealing with an aircraft that's got a ton of jet fuel, and it does have an aircraft mishap like this where it were to crash. You know, you never know what that situation is going to do until it unfolds, and at that point, that on-scene commander will start making the determination of what to do.